Today in the fight against COVID-19, the state reported more than 2,600 new cases and 78 more deaths from the virus. Indiana has recorded more than 994,000 positive cases since the start of the pandemic. Also today, we learned about 3,600 more Hoosiers are now fully vaccinated. And we could be closer to having a new medicine to treat COVID-19. The FDA is set to review the drug Regeneron's antibody cocktail for full approval. Right now, the treatment has only emergency use authorization. Regeneron says it wants the drug available to people who have symptoms but are not hospitalized. The FDA says it'll give its decision in April.
I want to show you a look at some of the vaccination rates as they all measure up all across the country. So when you look at this map, consider that the states that are in that green have vaccinated populations of more than 63%. Those states are mostly out on the East Coast, and then of course there's New Mexico there. The biggest bulk of the states though are there in blue. They have 47 to 63% vaccinated, and as you can see, Indiana falls in that group. There are 10 states that have less than 47% vaccinated. Those are the lighter colored gray states there. Well, today President Biden gave an update on the efforts to increase vaccination rates, and his report comes on the very same day that the Moderna booster shots moved one step closer to getting federal approval. Alice Barr explains what's being done right now to help slow COVID coast to coast.
President Biden addressing the nation today, crediting vaccine mandates for helping drive down COVID cases.
Case rates are declining in 39 states, and hospital rates are declining in 38 states.
66 million eligible Americans are still unvaccinated, but that's down from 97 million in July when federal requirements started rolling out. The president thanked private employers for adopting their own mandates as his administration works to finalize an order requiring vaccines or frequent testing for companies with 100 or more workers.
Every day, we see more businesses implementing vaccination requirements, and the mounting data shows that they work.
The president also stressing the need to keep schools safely open as federal regulators prepare to debate vaccines for children age 5 to 11. The administration has already bought enough doses to go around.
Families will be able to sleep easier at night knowing their kids are protected.
The president spoke shortly before an FDA advisory panel unanimously recommended emergency authorization of booster shots for the Moderna vaccine for people age 65 and up, as well as adults at high risk for disease and those who are frequently exposed to COVID at work. Today's recommendation is similar to last month's green light for Pfizer boosters and comes even though a new study from the CDC showed that Moderna's effectiveness has held up better over time. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.
And tomorrow, the FDA advisory panel will discuss boosters for that one-shot J&J vaccine. They're going to weigh in on if it's effective in the similar way that they did today with Moderna. Also up for debate, swapping out the vaccines. The National Institute of Health says mixing and matching COVID vaccine booster shots from different manufacturers is safe and effective. You know, there is certainly a lot to process here with the boosters and of course the new approvals. We have more on the FDA approval process, the booster discussion, and the ways that you can protect yourself against COVID-19 for you all compiled right now at WTHR.com/coronavirus.